Ooh, right here, this is the IPL hair removal system. This one is cooling. We have the ice cool feature, so it's nice and cool and it's painless. This is the upgraded version that handles 999,900 times. Oh yeah. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. We get the quick start guide right here. Oh, we got the user manual right here too. Sweet. Whoa, this is everything you get right here. Boom. This is the unit right here, the IPL hair removal tool with the cooling technology. So it's nice and cool. The laser right there. So inside right there, you got the laser. This is a laser IPL hair removal system right here. Sweet design. You got the one button there. You got some buttons on the side over here. You got the power input right there. Simple unit. There we go. This is what it looks like. And that is the application area right there. This thing is the upgrade version designed to last up to 999,900 times. Oh, that's a lot of time right here. This one is nice and cool and it's painless as well right here. It also comes with more accessories in the box. Ooh, this one is, boom, the power adapter. So this one right here plugs into the wall and this one plugs into your unit. Just like this. It plugs into the side right here and this plugs into the wall. That's how you power it up. This does not use battery. You plug it into the wall so you have full power when you're ready to use it right here. Oh yeah. And it comes with more stuff. You also get this box right here. Boom, boom. In this box, look what you get. Boom. You got a traditional razor right here. So you can trim down your hair first before you laser zap them away. Right here. Boom, 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 boom. A traditional razor to remove your hair as much as you can before you zap them away. Trim out the hair with the included razor right here. You also get a pair of, boom, shades. So this is important to wear. So when you are using your zapper, make sure you wear your shades. There we go, guys. This is the IPL hair removal tool right here with the shades. Ready for you to remove those hairs. Oh yeah. Right there. IPL hair removal tool with nice ice cooling technology. Oh yeah.